Welcome to Rising Voice English, your daily place to learn simple English. If you enjoy real-life English lessons, please subscribe and grow with us every day. Today, you will learn a powerful method that can improve your English speaking. This method is very simple, natural, and easy for beginners to follow. It does not require perfect grammar knowledge or advanced vocabulary skills. The method is called Speak What You Hear, and it is very effective. This idea is easy to understand and simple to practice every day. First, you listen carefully to clear and natural English sentences. Then, you repeat what you hear using your own voice clearly. You do this again and again until it feels natural and easy. You do not need to wait until you understand every single word. You do not need to wait until your grammar becomes perfect. You simply listen carefully and then you speak with confidence. This is how children naturally learn their first language at home. This is how your brain builds real speaking skills step by step. In this lesson, you will learn important and useful ideas. You will understand what Speak What You Hear really means. You will learn why this method works very well for beginners. You will discover how to practice this method every single day. You will see real-life examples that are easy to follow and remember. You will learn simple steps to build strong speaking confidence. Take your time and do not rush your learning process today. Relax your mind and prepare yourself to enjoy this lesson. Now, let's begin your English learning journey together.
Part 1. What does Speak What You Hear mean? Speak what you hear means you copy English sounds very carefully. You listen to English words, sentences, and useful daily expressions. Then, you repeat them clearly using your voice and natural rhythm. You do not translate everything into your first language in your mind. You do not stop often to think too much about grammar rules. Instead, you focus mainly on sound, rhythm, and pronunciation patterns. You hear something clearly, then you repeat it with your own voice. When you repeat often, your speaking ability slowly becomes stronger. This method is also called shadowing in modern language learning. Shadowing means you follow a speaker very closely, like a shadow. You stay close to the speaker and copy every sound carefully. You copy the rhythm, the tone, and the pronunciation exactly. This process is not only simple speaking practice for learners. It is a powerful way to train your brain and speaking muscles. When you repeat what you hear many times every day, your mouth learns new movements for English sounds and words. Your ears become stronger at recognizing natural English pronunciation. Your memory improves as you hear and repeat patterns regularly. Your confidence grows as speaking becomes easier and more natural. You begin to feel English naturally instead of thinking too much. You experience English as a living language, not just a subject.
Part 2. Why this method works for beginners. Many English learners try to study grammar rules before speaking. They spend long hours reading books and memorizing difficult rules. They also try to memorize many words without real speaking practice. But even after all this effort, they still cannot speak fluently. Why does this problem happen to so many English learners today? Because speaking English is a skill that needs active practice daily. All real skills improve only when you practice them regularly. You cannot learn swimming by only reading about water and movement. You must go into the water and practice swimming with your body. In the same way, you must speak English to improve speaking skills. Speak What You Hear works because it trains real communication ability. It helps you build natural rhythm and sentence flow automatically. It improves your pronunciation through constant listening and repetition. It connects listening and speaking into one strong learning process. This method also helps reduce fear and speaking anxiety for beginners. When you repeat after a speaker, you are not alone in speaking. You follow a clear model, which makes speaking easier and safer. This approach makes learning faster and more enjoyable every day.
Part 3. The power of listening first. Before you can speak English well, you must listen carefully first. Listening is the strong foundation for all good speaking skills. When you listen carefully and regularly to English content, you learn correct pronunciation from real and natural speech patterns. You learn sentence structures without studying complicated grammar rules.
You learn natural expressions used by real English speakers every day. If you listen every day, your brain starts recognizing English sounds. At the beginning, listening may feel difficult and sometimes confusing. You may not understand every word or full meaning immediately. That is completely normal for all beginner English learners worldwide. Understanding improves slowly as your brain gets more experience. Your goal is not perfect understanding at the beginning stage. Your goal is to become familiar with sounds and patterns. When something becomes familiar, it feels easier and more comfortable.
Part 4. How to practice Speak What You Hear. Now let's learn how to practice this method step by step clearly. Step 1 is choosing simple and beginner-friendly English audio content. Start with short sentences that are easy to understand and repeat. Choose slow speech with clear pronunciation from good speakers. Do not choose fast or difficult content in the beginning stage. Simple content always gives better results for beginner learners. Step 2 is listening carefully before you start speaking practice. Play the audio and focus only on listening without speaking first. Pay attention to sound, rhythm, and natural sentence stress patterns. Let your brain absorb the language slowly and naturally over time. Step 3 is repeating slowly after listening to each sentence. Listen again and pause after each sentence you hear clearly. Repeat the sentence using your voice with clear pronunciation. Speak slowly and clearly without rushing your speech. Step 4 is speaking together with the original audio. Play the audio again and speak at the same time as the speaker. Try to match the speed, rhythm, and pronunciation of the speaker. This step helps build fluency and natural speaking flow. Step 5 is repeating the practice many times for better results. Do not practice only once because repetition builds real improvement. Practice again and again until the sentences feel natural and easy. Each time you repeat, your pronunciation becomes clearer and stronger. Your speaking speed improves, and your confidence continues growing.
Now, let's look at simple and useful real-life English examples. In the first example, we practice a daily routine sentence. You hear the sentence, "I wake up at 6 every morning." Then you repeat the same sentence clearly using your voice. You repeat the sentence many times until it feels natural. Soon, this sentence becomes easy to say without thinking too much. In the second example, we talk about going to work. You hear the sentence, "I go to work by bus every day." Then you repeat the sentence many times with clear pronunciation. Your brain remembers the pattern and structure of the sentence. Later, you can change it to create new useful sentences. You can say, "I go to school by bus every morning." You can also say, "I go to the store by car today." In the third example, we practice simple feeling expressions. You hear the sentence, "I feel tired today after working hard." Then you repeat the sentence using natural rhythm and tone. Now you can create new sentences using the same pattern. You can say, "I feel happy today because I am learning." You can also say, "I feel excited about my English progress." This is how your speaking ability grows, step by step. To improve your English, you must build a daily practice habit. Even 10 to 20 minutes of practice is enough each day. Here is a simple and effective daily practice routine. First, listen carefully to English audio for about 5 minutes. Next, repeat the sentences slowly with clear pronunciation. Then, speak together with the audio using natural rhythm. Finally, repeat the full practice again to strengthen your memory. Do this simple routine every day without skipping practice time. Consistency is more important than practicing for many hours sometimes. Small daily practice creates big and lasting improvement over time. Many learners feel shy when they try to speak English aloud. This feeling is normal and happens to many beginners. The best solution is to practice alone in a quiet place. Speaking alone helps you feel more comfortable and relaxed. Some learners feel their pronunciation is not good enough. This is also a normal part of the learning process. The solution is to listen carefully and repeat slowly every day. Focus on sound and clarity, not on perfect pronunciation. Other learners forget words when they try to speak sentences. This is a common problem for many English learners. The solution is to repeat sentences often and use simple language. Do not try to learn too many new words at one time.
Part 8. How this method builds fluency. Fluency means speaking English smoothly, naturally, and comfortably. Fluency does not mean speaking perfectly or without any mistakes. It also does not mean speaking very fast all the time. Speak what you hear helps build fluency through constant repetition. It builds automatic speaking ability without too much thinking. It reduces thinking time and improves natural speaking rhythm. After some time, you will notice real improvement in your speaking. You will start speaking without stopping too often for thinking. You will feel more relaxed when you use English in daily situations. You will trust your English ability more with each practice session. Mindset. Speaking English is not only a mental activity for learners. It is also a physical skill that uses your mouth and voice. Your mouth must learn new movements for English pronunciation. When you repeat English sounds many times every day, your tongue becomes more flexible for different sound patterns. Your lips learn new positions for correct pronunciation of words. Your voice becomes stronger and clearer with regular practice. This is why speaking practice is very important for improvement. Do not stay silent because speaking builds real language skill.
In the first week, practice short and simple English sentences daily. Focus on clear pronunciation and correct sound production. In the second week, practice longer sentences with more confidence. Start speaking together with the audio more often. In the third week, repeat sentences faster and sound more natural. Try to improve your rhythm and reduce pauses while speaking. In the fourth week, speak without pausing and build strong consonants. Focus on smooth and continuous speaking flow. Step by step, your English speaking ability will improve naturally. Learning English is a journey that takes time and patience. Do not compare your progress with other learners around you. Focus on your own improvement and personal learning journey. Every day you practice, you become better and more confident. You grow stronger and move closer to your speaking goals. Celebrate small wins because they show real progress in learning. Even speaking one sentence clearly is a strong achievement. Always remember this important idea during your learning process. You do not need perfect grammar to start speaking English today. You only need regular practice and a strong learning habit. Listen carefully to English every day without skipping practice. Repeat what you hear clearly using your voice and confidence. Speak regularly to build strong and natural communication skills. Repeat this process again and again for best results. This is the true path to real English fluency.
Speak what you hear is a simple but very powerful method. If you practice every day, you will see clear improvements soon. Your listening skills will improve with regular and focused practice. Your speaking skills will grow stronger with daily repetition. Your confidence will increase as you continue your learning journey. Start today with small steps and simple practice routines. Stay consistent and do not stop even when it feels difficult. You can achieve your English goals with patience and effort. Thank you for learning with Rising Voice English today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe and continue learning. Keep listening carefully to English every single day. Keep speaking with confidence and clear pronunciation. And always keep growing in your English learning journey.